Hey guys, it's me, Mickey G, and welcome to my first unboxing video. So, yesterday I bought myself a new pair of Tommy Hilfiger underwear. Actually, it's a free pack. Even better, I got it 40% off. Well, not ever. Yeah, I got 40% off, plus I got a team member discount on top. Holy crap, it was so good. It was practically half price. It was amazing. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox these, see how they are. First I'm actually wearing them, first actual proper branded underwear, and yeah, should be good. Okay, so I'm just going to start unboxing it now. Now I've just tried to have a look, and apparently there is this one line of tape, literally all around the box. So I think it's attached to that security label. But yeah, so we are going to try and unbox this and see how it goes. Okay, so I just had to go get my little knife, get this box, because yeah, as you can see, there's literally like tape all around it, and because it was this way. So yeah, so I followed the cut. But yeah, so I can open up. Oh, I forgot to actually show you all the colours. So, I've got the classic white, I've got the classic grey, and the black. I'm pretty excited about the white one. Everyone's wearing the white one, so yeah, pretty happy about that. And yeah, so just finish opening them up there. Got the black, which I think is pretty cool. Oh yeah, they are the trunks. Oh, did I get braces or trunks? Completely forgot. Yeah, so got the black. I have got the grey. Actually, that was happy. And the one I'm excited for the most, is my white. So they feel really, really soft. They are cotton stretch, apparently. So cotton stretch, trunk, 3-pack, 40% off, came to about $50. So that was pretty awesome. Really happy with that. Instead it was like half price, it was like $99.95. And that was the cheapest, so yeah, so that's all 3 of those. I might go try them on and see how comfy they are. Okay, so I'm just in the bathroom and I've just put on the black ones, you know, they don't show a lot. You know, it is YouTube. And just try, see, Tommy Hilfigers. They are literally so comfortable. They just have everything. It is amazing. Absolutely love them. Oh my god. Super comfy. Guys, 100% recommend, get them. Super, super comfy. So yeah guys, that is my Tommy Hilfiger underwear, which I got pretty much half price. Again, super duper comfy. Holy crap, I don't think I've worn a more comfy pair of underwear. Honestly, go get them. Again, got them in my white, my grey, and my black. Now, where did I get them? I got them from my store, which I work at. Yeah, if you want them on sale, really, really good. Otherwise, Costco, I think, sells them. Maya, DJ, I believe David Jones sells them. All you people in Australia. But yeah, honestly, go get them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you liked this unboxing video, drop a comment below. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and thank you guys again for watching. Bye!